after the session break, and we will today do one interesting story from your literature book, and the title of the story is The Invention of Vita Vogue. Now let us go through certain questions like who are the oldest people you know. So you might have seen the people around you or the people who are coming to your place. So who are the oldest one? Obviously your grandparents at home. Who are the oldest things you have in your house? So you can make out from the things you are seeing since the childhood in your city, town or village. How old are they? Have you ever wished that you were older? Have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? So all these questions do arise in our minds sometimes, like you want to be older very soon because you also want to play the role like an older person, or have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? So all these things create some excitement when you think all these things. So let us start with the story. The invention of Vita Vogue. Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White, which makes people younger. So Mr. Willy Wonka, he starts inventing Wonka White, which helps people look younger or which makes people younger. But Wonka White is too strong, so some people disappear because their age becomes minus. So it is so strong that if it is taken more than the prescribed doses, then the people may disappear because their age becomes minus. So they become minus, and one person actually becomes minus 87, which means he has got to wait 87 years before he can come back. So suppose he is 87 and he has taken a good dose of that particular Wonka White, which is very strong, so he may come to the age 0. So again he have to spend 87 years to come back to that year in which he was earlier. Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. Mr. Wonka said. So once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. So Mr. Wonka, he thought that his first invention of that dose, that is Wonka White, was not so successful. So he rolled up his sleeves, means he was getting ready, and he started to work. Once again I squeezed my brain searching for the new recipe. Here recipe means instructions for making something, means because he needed something for making the dose. So he started searching, and I had to create age to make people older, oldest. Ha ha, I cried. For now the ideas were beginning to come. What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? So certain ideas started coming to his mind, and he started thinking that what is the oldest living things in the world. So because he will be using those things for making the dose, for making that medicine, what lives longer than anything else? So now he has to search all these things. A tree, Charlie said. Right you are, Charlie, but what kind of a tree? Not the Douglas fir, not the oak, not the cedar. No, 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 my boy, it is a tree called the bristlecone pine that grows upon the slopes of the Willow Peak in Nevada, USA. So his assistant, he was suggesting so many names of the trees like oak, cedar, fir, but he said no, 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 it is bristlecone pine which grows upon that slopes of the mountain Willow, okay, in the peak of that mountain which is situated in USA. You can find bristlecone pines on Willow Peak today that are over 4,000 years old. So this is fact. Charlie asks any dendrochronologist you would like, and look for the word up in the dictionary when you get home, will you please? Now, so he said that this is fact because that tree is 4,000 years old, and he suggested that dendrochronologist you would like, so he wanted that he should go back home and search what is the meaning of that for referring to that tree. So that started me off. I jumped into the great glass elevator, that is a lift, and rushed all over the world collecting special items from the oldest living things. So now that scientist, he started now looking for the older things from which he will collect all those things and make the dose. A pint of sap from a 4,000 years old bristlecone pine, the toenail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Grigorievich, an egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga, the tail of a 15-year-old horse in Arabia, the whiskers of a 36-year-old cat called Crumpets, an old flea which had lived on crumpets for 36 years, the tail of a 207-year-old giant rat from the Tibet, the black teeth of a 97-year-old grimakin living in a cave on mountain Popocatépetl, the knuckle bones of a 700 years old cataloo from Peru. Okay, so these were the things he had to collect for making that medicine, which will make the people look younger. All over the world, Charlie, Mr. Wonka went on. I tracked down very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them, a hair or an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam scrapped from between its toes while it was sleeping. So he was taking out very small pinch of the things from the oldest and ancient animals, like from someone he was taking the hair, from some animal, old animal he was taking an eyebrow, like that. I tracked down the whistle pig, the bobolink, the shrock, the polyfrog, the giant curlicue, the stinging slug, and the venomous squirrel, who can spit poison right into your eye from 50 yards away. But there's no time to tell you about them all now, Charlie. Let me just say quickly that in the end, after lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and tasting in my inventing room, I produced one tiny cupful of oily black liquid and gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what happened. Now he had mixed all those things which he has taken from the ancient plants and animals, and he started it boiling in the water. Then as he said that he started boiling it, then since the water was boiling, he put all the things inside it. Then it was bubbling, then mixing and testing, and now he wanted that particular drink he will give to one of his volunteer whose name was Oompa Loompa to see what will happen. What did happen? Charlie asked. It was fantastic, cried Mr. Wonka. The moment he swallowed it, he began wrinkling and shriveling up all over, and his hair started dropping off and his teeth started falling out. So this was the reaction, that his skin started wrinkling and he started shriveling as the old people do, and his hair also started dropping off and teeth started falling out, and before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vita Wonk invented. So this is a very interesting story where he had made such a drink where after drinking it he became very old person, right? So finally he learned that he has succeeded in his work. So children, your job is to just go through the chapter, read the chapter thoroughly, and go through the word meanings and write in your copy. So till then, thank you for listening.